Hello everyone, welcome to ClassFly lectures. In the previous video, we have discussed on what is the meaning of integration and why we use this technique, and types of integral which are definite and indefinite. We talked about line integral, what actually happens, and the geometrical representation. Also we discussed on work done. In this video, I will explain a bit more on line integral. For line integral, there are some general representation. One is integral over c f of xy ds dot ds, where this isn't anymore a vector. These are the scalar, and ds is the small segment along the curve, along the path c. And the physical representation is, here you can see this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis, which gives the f of xy. And consider this plane. There, this is the plane, okay, and the curve lies in the xy plane. The curve may lie somewhere over here, and when we integrate over this thing, we have the curve, and the plane is like this, and we get the area of this wall type area. Okay, the curve is this and the vector field is this, and we get this area, the area similar to a wall. And in this case, integral over c f of xy dot dr, here we get a vector. Here this is a scalar function and this is a vector, and which is small segment along the curve. Here the dr will be like this represented. In this case we get a scalar answer, and in this case we get a vector answer. And the third type of line integral is this one. Here both are vectors. Integral over c f of xy dot dr. Here comes the work done. Consider a mass of m. We are pushing with a force F. We push this mass m with a force F to somewhere over here. Okay, this is the x, this is the distance we have to push. So here this is the curve, then the area under this gives the work done. So dw is f dot dr, where dr is the small segment of the curve, the distance. Okay, then work done will be integral over c dw, which is integral c f dot dr. In general, work done is equal to force into displacement. Okay, this is the work done explained by vector integration. For more videos, visit classfly.in.